Welcome back to another episode of Daily Interior Design Inspo, your go-to podcast for all things interior design in the urban and suburban spaces of New York City, Westchester, New Jersey, Connecticut, and Washington, D.C. I am your host, Betsy Helmuth, and today we have a fantastic episode lined up for you. We are diving into some truly inspiring and budget-friendly design ideas that you can incorporate into your own home. First up, we are talking about a studio apartment that might just be the most brilliantly designed space I have ever seen. This gem is located in Nob Hill, San Francisco, California, and is designed in an organic, modern Parisian style. The interior designer behind this masterpiece is Jasmine Espinoza, who has lived in the apartment building for 29 years, but has only been in this particular studio for 2 years. Jasmine actually grew up in this very building, and that connection allowed her to snag the studio for just $1,500 a month. That is quite the deal, especially for San Francisco. Because she knew the owner, Jasmine had the flexibility to make changes that most renters would not be allowed to do. And believe me, she took full advantage of that opportunity. One of the standout features of Jasmine's apartment is a Serena and Lily chandelier that she purchased through Facebook Marketplace for just $100. Considering this chandelier retails for $2,000, it was an incredible find and one of her proudest purchases. This kind of deal is a great reminder to always keep an eye out for secondhand treasures that can add a touch of luxury to your home without breaking the bank. Jasmine has completely transformed this small space, and you can check out a before and after tour on her TikTok. She changed the floors, painted the cabinets in the kitchen, added molding, and even built a built-in corner mantle, faux fireplace, and TV area. The potential of the space has truly evolved during her time there. What initially drew Jasmine to this apartment was the huge walk-in closet, a rare find in San Francisco studios where storage space is often a major issue. This walk-in closet is so spacious that it could almost be another bedroom. Jasmine even managed to squeeze in a stylish home office area within the closet, making it a multifunctional space that enhances her daily life. Jasmine describes her home as having an Aries personality, bold but also subtle, just like her. The details and neutral palette of her home were inspired by Parisian design, and one of the standout features that set the mood for her design was the claw foot tub. It is these thoughtful touches that make the space uniquely hers. Now, let us talk about some of the specific pieces and materials Jasmine used in her stunning studio. The paint color is Simply White by Benjamin Moore, which provides a clean and timeless backdrop for the space. In the entryway, she has a bookcase from Target that she customized by adding cane to the doors and changing the knobs to gold. This simple DIY project adds a touch of elegance and personal flair. In the living space, Jasmine opted for a Marquez cobblestone love seat with an Amazon beige velvet sofa cover and a Bernan upholstered bed in green from Wayfair. These pieces create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. The kitchen is equally impressive with brass cabinet drawer pulls, wood grain wallpaper, floor tiles, peel and stick backsplash, and a glass pendant light, all from Amazon. She even built a wooden desk using desk legs from Amazon and a tabletop from Home Depot. Jasmine's resourcefulness and eye for design have truly made this studio apartment a masterpiece. It is a perfect example of how you can create a beautiful, functional home on a budget, especially when you are willing to put in a little DIY effort. Thanks for sharing your space with us, Jasmine. Next up, we have a fantastic find for all the budget-conscious design enthusiasts out there. We have discovered a dupe of West Elm's popular boucle chair, and it is $400 cheaper. Yes, you heard that right. If you have been eyeing the Roué lounge chair from West Elm but find it a bit too steep for your budget, we have got just the alternative for you. So let us talk about this amazing find. The Jofran Modern Curve Back Dining Chair is a true gem. I was scrolling through Marshall's chair selection the other day and stumbled upon this beauty. The first thing that struck me was how much it reminded me of the pricier Rue lounge chair from West Elm. The Jofran chair has a statement-making design with an arched and open curved back. It is wrapped in a boucle-inspired chenille fabric and features a cozy padded seat, making it a stylish and comfortable addition to any space. Now, you are probably wondering about the price difference. The Rue lounge chair from West Elm is priced at $649, whereas the Jofran Modern Curve Back Dining Chair is just $199.99 at Marshall's. That is a whopping $400 difference. While the Jofran chair is marketed as a dining chair and is slightly smaller in size compared to the Roué lounge chair, it still packs a punch in the style department. The Jofran chair measures 19 inches by 29.5 inches by 19 inches, making it a great option for small spaces. One major advantage of the Jofran chair's smaller size is its versatility. It is perfect for those who are short on space but still want to add a touch of contemporary flair to their home. Whether you place it in your dining room, living room, or even a cozy reading nook, this chair is sure to elevate the look of your space without taking up too much room. And let us not forget the value for money. Spending $200 on a chair might seem like a lot, but when you compare it to the $649 price tag of its West Elm counterpart, you realize what a great deal it actually is. The Jofran Modern Curve Back Dining Chair offers both style and substance on a budget, making it a must-have for any design lover. So, if you have been dreaming of adding a chic boucle chair to your home but do not want to break the bank, head over to Marshall's and check out the Jofran Modern Curve Back Dining Chair. You will not be disappointed.